have with me Mr. Digvijay Singh sir. He's already visited some of the families and he's also offering them, in fact, moral as well as monetary compensation.
Well, yes, it is the attitude which matters. The Congress party and the UPA government have always been very sympathetic to the cause of farmers in the rural areas, which is now missing in the regime of the TRS and the BJP at the national level. The farmers are not getting the minimum support price. Here only I asked the farmers, they had to sell their produce at about 1,270 rupees, while the minimum support price is more than 1,370. Fertilizer is not being available. They are purchasing in black. All this shows the attitude.
They are critical of you that your government, you were in government for 10 years and we are actually inherited that, they say.
This is what I'm telling you, that during our government, the sensitivity was there. The largest loan waiver for the Kisans took place when we waived 72,000 crores of loans in the whole country. The farmers were getting free electricity, the farmers were getting correct price, and the farmers were getting ample amount of fertilizer. It's a question of sensitivity of the Congress party.
Well, Rahul Gandhi has just visited this family and left. Joining us right now is Geeta Reddy, Congress leader, to talk about this. Ma'am, there's a check which is being given to this family. How much is it, and what about the rest of the money which they have to repay? Not only them, but the several other families who have to give back their money.
Well, right now, as from the party's point of view, we have given 2 lakhs. Rahul Gandhi ji has given 2 lakhs and he's going to do that per family. Rest of it, certainly, the party will be there to be supportive of them. We'll get into the details of how to and what to.
While within last 11 months or so, we've had almost 800 families whose close ones, dear ones, earning members of the family have committed suicide. Ma'am, even before this 1 year also, even when Congress was in power, ma'am, we had families who committed suicide, farmers who committed suicide because of the agrarian crisis. What would you say to that?
You see, farmers are a very vulnerable lot. And most of them, as I said, 80% are tenant farmers. With a lot of hope and ambition, they go in for some kind of plantation, expecting good rains and expecting that the bores will not fail. But what's happening here is something that we all can't predict. In our government also, I'm sure there have been. No government can deny that. But look at the number in such a short span of time. There have been 900 suicides in the last 9-10 months, and that's abominable because where is the government? Has the government come to even inquire? Has even the TRS people, any one small leader also of the village has come to talk to them, sympathize with them, support them?